Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon Doberman. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyes. So we're going to start on the left side with a circle, starting from the top, work our way to the bottom and then back up to the top. And we're going to leave a large gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line at the top of the circle. Now at the top of each eye, I'm going to draw a smaller circle for a highlight. Start on the left. I'm going to do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to fill the bottoms of the eye in black. Now we're going to move to the center and then down and draw on the nose. So we're going to draw an oval. Starting from the center, we're going to go out towards the sides and then back up to the top. Now let's fill the nose in black. Now let's draw on the muzzle. In the center, just underneath the nose, we're going to step down, start with a point. From this point, I'm going to curve down towards the left and then up, aiming towards the eye. Let's go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Curving down, then up towards the eye. Now from the top of the muzzle, we're going to curve up and then down in behind the nose. Now in the center, just underneath the muzzle, we're going to add the tongue. So over on the left side, we're going to curve down, then back up on the right. Now from here, we're going to draw on the side of the head. Starting on the side of the muzzle, we're going to curve out, round out the side of the head, and then come up and in, just above the left eye. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curving out, rounding out the side of the head, and then coming in. Now we're going to add the sides of the cheek. Starting from the top of the muzzle, we're going to curve up and then out towards the left, go to the right and do the same thing. Now let's move back to the top and draw on the ears. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve up and out towards the tip of the ear, and then we'll do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to draw the inside of the ear. Starting from the top on the left, we're going to come straight down and then curve out towards the left, and then round it out and pull it back in towards the side of the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Come straight down, round it out and pull it in. Now we're going to go back to the top and draw the inside edge of the ear. Starting from the left, we're going to taper this so the ear gets a little bit thicker as we come down towards the top of the head. Do the same thing on the right side. Now let's close off the top of the head. We're going to connect these 2 points with a curve, going up and then down. Now I want to add 2 oval spots just above each eye. So we start directly above the left eye, curve around, and then back up. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Now we're going to move down and draw on the front legs. Starting right where the muzzle meets the head, we're going to draw an angled line, coming down and then out. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming down at an angle towards the bottom of the feet. Now back on the left side, we're going to round out the paw, go out, round out the paw, and then pull that in. Let's do the same thing on the right, curving out, rounding out the paw, and then coming in. And then from the inside of the leg, we're going to go straight up with an angled line, aiming towards the nose. So let's start on the left side. We're going to go up, and we're going to stop right about there. Now in between the legs, we're going to add a curve for the body. So from the top, we're going to step down, curve down in the middle, and then back up on the right. Now we're going to separate out the bottom of the leg. Just above the paw on the left, we're going to step up, curve down, and back up on the inside. And we'll do the same thing on the right. And then we're going to move down and separate out the paw. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve out, around, and then back down towards the bottom of the foot. Step in and draw that same curve. Let's do the opposite on the right side. We'll step in and draw that one more time. Now we're going to add a couple spots on either side of the leg. Starting on the left, we're going to draw an angled oval. So we start at the top, curve around to the bottom, and then back up to the top. We're going to go in the opposite direction on the right side. So we're going to line up the top, curve around, and back out. On the side of the legs, we're gonna see the hind feet. So on the left side, right up here, we're gonna curve out and then pull that back in. We'll line this up on the right and do the same thing. And then the last thing we're gonna do is add the tail over on the left side. So we start on the side of the leg, curve out and then up. And then we'll taper this back down in behind the side of the body. Let's separate out the tip of the tail. Starting from the top, we're gonna curve out and then down. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's our cartoon Doberman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.